The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Mark.
Glory to you, O Lord.
The mother of Jesus and his brothers arrived at the house. Standing outside, they sent word to Jesus and called him. A crowd seated around him told him, "Your mother and your brothers and your sisters are outside asking for you." But he said to them in reply, "Who are my mother and my brothers?" And looking around at those seated in the circle, he said, "Here are my mother and my brothers. For whoever does the will of God is my brother and sister and mother." Brothers and sisters, the Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Anong kaya feeling ni Mama Mary when he hear that Jesus said, "Who is my mother and my brother?" Hindi lang ito once nangyari. If you remember, during Jesus' loss in the temple, when Mary and Joseph go to temple and look for him, yung sagot ni Jesus, "Bakit kayo hanap sa akin? Dapat nandito ako." Ano kaya feeling ni Mama Mary? Galit ba? Kung si Mama Mary live in our time, baka galit siya. Kayo po, yung mga mama, mga daddy, kung nasaragot yung mga anak ninyo, di ba? Kung anak ninyo sumagot sa inyo, init ang ulo agad. Ngayon si Jesus yung sabi kay Mama Mary. In my reflection, I think Mary not angry because Mary know what happened. Mama Mary not angry because he knew Jesus said like that, and Mary already fulfill what the Lord telling him. Diba sabi sa Gospel, "My brother and my sisters, here whoever does the will of God." And sa tingin natin, and we believe, Mary already do the will of God. Kung tingin natin parang walang galang si Jesus. But today, Jesus invite us, if we want to follow Him, if we want to follow Jesus, we should obey Him. We should do what the Father telling us. Yes, Father, every day, we do what the Lord telling us. But sometimes, we have difficulty to following Him. And again, the good example in our life, mahal na ina. If we look at the life of Our Lady, Mama Mary, since beginning, she obeyed the Lord. Obedience is the Lord telling us today, to obey with the will of the Lord. Obey the commandment of the Lord in our life. Sabi ko nga, sa buhay natin ngayon, medyo mahirap to following the Lord. Medyo mahirap because there are many choices in our life. Sometimes following the Lord and obey the Lord is contra with the world. When we follow the Lord, when we follow the commandment of the Lord, is different with the word telling us. So this is our choice. This is our invitation for us as the Christian to always obey, to always be faithful with the Lord. In the midst of difficulty, in the midst of the word telling us to not doing what the Lord telling us, we need to be firm in our faith. And the Lord telling us, and we want to become the brother and the sister of the Lord. So, the one thing we can do, obey Him. Even it's difficult. Even it's the contra with the world. Because we want telling the world, we are the Christian. We are the follower of Christ. We show to the world the light of Christ. Sabi ko kanina, hindi madali, it's mahirap. But again, we walk with the Lord. Hindi kayo mag-isa. We listen to the Lord. Hindi tayo gawa desisyon sa sarili natin. We also invite Him when we make a decision. And again, we can say to the other people, why we do like this? Because we are the brothers and the sisters of Christ who obey what He's telling us. My dear brothers and sisters, we ask the Lord once again to make us firm in our life, to make the faith in us grow day by day in listening what the Lord telling us. And may the Lord grow in you the trust in Him. And we become His brothers and sisters because we really love Him and we follow what His commandment in our life.